Hey guys, it's Ken from Unparalleled Houston Home, and this is
Vu from Unparalleled Houston Home.
And today we are in a special community next to Hobby Airport. This is for all the brothers and sisters that want to find a neighborhood that is extremely well priced. Homes start at between $260,000 all the way to $375,000 depending on the size of the home and the upgrades that they have within it. For this builder, they only have inventory homes. So if you guys are a type of buyers that would like to buy a home and select the material inside, this is not the home for you guys. And you know, if you guys want to get more information about the taxes, HOA, location, everything you guys need to know, be sure to watch to the end of the video and hit that subscribe button. Check out our website too. We have a list of all the reputable builders within the Houston area. All right guys, that's about it. Let's go check out the first home now. Walk with me.
For site, this house will be using cement board. Let's go a bit further down. You will see the open space for the living space. One special thing for this house is they are using all white cabinet for the all granite countertop, upgrade for the backsplash for the kitchen, all the microwave, dishwasher, fridge will come as standard. Next to the kitchen and the living room is a one bedroom down here, and with one full bathroom. You can share it for the guests. And let's follow me to this way to the second floor. When you first walk to the second floor, you will enter directly to the master bedroom. And over here is the bathroom. So there we have a standing shower and a tub, two sink vanity, and a walk-in closet as standard. And let's go over here. We have a game room, or you can use this for the second living room. Two regular standard bedrooms that you can fit the queen bed in. And over here is shared bathroom. And for the utility room, it's gonna be upstairs. And later on, I will show you guys materials that you guys can choose for this house.
For $317,000, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it or not? Comment down below and let us know. This home is called the Lincoln. Now, it's priced at $317,000 as mentioned previously. It's a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and 33 square feet. For the HOA, you're looking at $375 a year, and taxes is 3.07% before homestead exemption. Homestead exemption is going to save you guys a bunch, so be sure to apply for it after you guys purchase your home. It's going to save you anywhere between 15 to 20% of whatever you're paying. So if you're paying $10,000 a year for your taxes, 15% of that is going to be $1,500. As for incentives, they're giving back amazing incentives right now. It's $17,500 to either pay down your closing costs or buy down your interest rate. And interest rate's absolutely high right now. It's at 6%, so definitely do that. Also, they're giving us all the appliances. So whether it's the washer, dryer, refrigerator, microwave, that's all going to be included.
Okay, so for the option, for the selection, we're gonna have this flooring vinyl glue down for this color, wood looking, this color, and also we have white color and the regular wood color for the cabinet using for the kitchen and also for the bathroom. For the carpet, we're gonna use the same thing. This color, we're gonna use this for the bathroom as well. And for the granite, we're gonna use this color right here. And for the three things, we are going to use the same for the carpet and the bathroom and for the kitchen. So this community is one special thing. We're really close to the airport. Just take us 7 minutes to drive to the Hobby Airport. And for the medical center and downtown, only take us 20 minutes to drive there. For all the grocery store and the shopping center, it's just nearby as well. It just takes us 5 to 7 minutes to drive there. And for the school, we have Michelle Elementary School, Thomas Middle School, and Sterling High School. From the scale 1 to 10, I would rate this house 6 out of 10 because it's really good for the investor and first-time homeowner. This price starting at $260.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching and making it to the end of the video. If you guys have any plans on buying, selling, relocating, or investing in the Houston area, our team would love to help out. With that all said, Unparalleled Houston Homes, out.